In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkboxes in Smartsheet. Adding checkboxes is a great way to track task completion, approvals, or simple yes or no answers inside your sheets. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end you'll have a fully functional checkbox column ready to use. First, open your Smartsheet and make sure you're in the grid view where you can see your columns and rows. Decide where you want your checkbox column to appear. For example, you might want it next to a task name or a due date so you can easily mark when something is done. Now move your mouse to the column header that's just to the left of where you want the checkbox column. Right-click on that column header. This opens a menu with several options for managing your columns. From that menu, look for the option that says Insert Column Right and click on it. This tells Smartsheet you want to add a new column directly to the right of the one you selected, keeping your existing structure intact. A window will appear asking you to define the new column. At the top, you'll see a field where you can type the column name. Click in that field and type something descriptive like checkbox or completed. The name doesn't affect how the column works, but a clear label will make your sheet easier to understand for you and anyone you share it with. Next, you need to set the column type so it behaves like a checkbox. In the same window, look for the list or drop-down that lets you choose the column type. Click on it, then scroll or look through the options until you find checkbox. Go ahead and click on checkbox to select it. This tells Smartsheet that each cell in this column should display an empty box you can check or uncheck. Depending on your version, you may see additional options or a toggle related to how the checkbox behaves. Make sure it's turned on or enabled so the column actually uses checkboxes instead of plain text. Once everything looks good, click on OK to confirm your settings. Smartsheet will create the new column, and you should now see a series of empty checkboxes running down the sheet. You can click any box to check it for completed items, and uncheck it if you need to revert. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added checkboxes in Smartsheet,